Hello guys, welcome back to a video. Today we will be discussing about the degradation of tryptophan serotonin pathway. So in this pathway, first of all, the tryptophan in presence of tryptophan hydroxylase forms 5-hydroxytryptophan. Here oxygen molecule comes and releases water molecule. It also needs tetrahydrobiopterin to provide the reducing equivalence. What happens here is one of the oxygen of this oxygen molecule attaches with this carbon, and the hydrogen already present in this carbon attaches with this oxygen and forms an OH group there. Thus this bond is formed, and the two hydrogens donated by tetrahydrobiopterin along with the remaining oxygen of this oxygen molecule release as water molecule. Thus 5-hydroxytryptophan is formed. This 5-hydroxytryptophan then in presence of decarboxylase enzyme forms serotonin. What happens here is this much COO group of COH group releases as carbon dioxide, and this hydrogen joins with this CH and forms CH2, and it is shown here. So this serotonin is formed. This serotonin can give rise to 5-hydroxy-indole acetate through one pathway and also give rise to melatonin through another pathway. So here serotonin in presence of monoamine oxidase releases NH3 group and forms 5-hydroxy-indole acetate. What happens here is this NH2 along with one of the hydrogen of this CH2 group releases as NH3. This enzyme provides oxygen molecule. So one of the oxygen atom of this O2 attaches directly with this carbon and forms double bond O. Then the another oxygen left here attaches with this carbon and forms single bond O there. Then the hydrogen attached with this carbon attaches with this oxygen and forms an OH group. Thus COH group is formed, and it is shown here. Thus 5-hydroxy-indole acetate is formed. Now let us move on to the melatonin synthesis pathway. Here this serotonin in presence of serotonin N-acetylase give rise to N-acetyl serotonin. Here acetyl-CoA comes and releases CoA SH. What happens here is this much group releases along with the hydrogen of this NH2. There is one of the hydrogen of this NH2 as CoA SH, and the remaining portion, that is this COCH3 group, attaches with this NH, that is the remaining NH group, through the oxygen of CO and forms this bond here. First of all, this SCoA along with the hydrogen of this NH2, one of the hydrogen of this NH2 releases as CoA SH. Then this CH3CO attaches to this nitrogen through its oxygen and forms N-acetyl serotonin here. In the next step, N-acetyl serotonin in presence of N-acetyl serotonin O-methyl transferase forms melatonin. Here S-adenosyl methionine comes and donates its CH3 group to this N-acetyl serotonin and leaves as S-adenosyl homocysteine. Here this S-adenosyl methionine donates its CH3 to this oxygen and forms this bond here. This hydrogen leaves with this S-adenosyl homocysteine, and melatonin is thus formed. This is the degradative pathway of tryptophan, that is serotonin pathway.